like I said, the dynamics again. Recently, past 5 years, if you are not on social media making noise as an artist, you will die off. If you're not doing that, the only thing that can keep you is if as a musician, you have good music out there. So even if they don't see your face, they can hear your music and listen to it as much as they can.
I mean, so what about these newer artists? Sorry, I had to laugh because I just flashed back to like how a lot of the newer artists, right? They do this thing where they'll post like 3 Instagram posts and they'll archive it and then, come back. It's like this cool thing now, aesthetics, right? And I remember, through our entertainment journey, right? Just how artists were going everywhere and pushing their music and pushing stuff. And now it's like, yeah, I can get away with, 2-3 posts and that's it. And they wonder why they're not growing.
I think it's a wrong move. I think it might cause a ton of problems in terms of KPIs with regards to visibility and publicity. And here's what I mean. We've lost the essence of brand affiliation. We've totally lost the essence of brand affiliation in terms of influencing. We didn't used to have as many influencers as we have these days. What we had were artists, musicians, photographers being influencers then, DJs, producers. And what they were ambassadors. And so brands could utilize their power, their reach to push product. It's still being done all over the world, in fact, en masse. However, our guys think it's all right to have only 3 pictures on their Instagram pages or archive, like you said, a ton of pictures. If I were a brand manager and I go to your page, maybe we have a strategy session at work, for example, an alcoholic beverage or non-alcoholic beverage, and we're looking for a brand ambassador next week. And in our process, somebody suggests to me a particular actor or musician. If I go